Okay, so what's up guys, it's your boy Pro Cybertech here again today, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how people edit with Pixellab application to fake a transaction receipt. Or they will edit a failed transaction to successful transactions. Or please guys get this information. I'm walking you through this in order not to fall in victims, but not to start implementing. Once you got a successful receipt and you accepted it, then you have been scammed. Or get me right, once you got this successful receipt, this fake successful receipt, and you accepted it, oh my guy, you have been scammed. So the only solution for this is to know the real receipts. Either you've gotten the real receipt. How to know if you have gotten the real receipt is to ask for the PDF format, or anyone that just tender a receipt for you, ask for a PDF format. Or requesting for PDF format will keep you safe from being scammed. So it will keep you safe from being scammed, because it is not that easy to be generated, because no one can just edit PDF format anyhow just like that. So it's just auto generated from a PDF Adobe app. So they auto generated it. You can't just, it is the system that will generate it, so you can't just touch anything inside it and just put your own. So this, all what you are seeing here is PDF format. Once you have a PDF viewer on your phone, so you can view any PDF receipts in any forms. So here you see now, all these are PDF formats. So here is the Pixellab. I will be walking you through here, so you see it as it is zoning about. So the PDF format is not easy to be generated, so you need to request it for the PDF format anytime you fall in victim or they wanted to scam you with just a fake receipt like this. So you need to ask for your PDF format. PDF format will keep you safe from being scammed. So now let's just dive in. Follow me up. So follow me up now while I quickly show you up how it works. So now, before I quickly dive in and show you up step by step on what I've been explaining since, I want you to subscribe on this channel for more amazing content like this. So if you subscribe on this channel, you'll be the first person to get any amazing content anytime I post. You'll be the first person to get the notification. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is very, very important, and your satisfaction is utmost priority for me also. Please kindly check the subscription button below and hit it. Now the next thing to do is to come down to Palmpay wallet, which I'll be using Palmpay wallet. I prefer to use Palmpay wallet because it's more easier in this editing stuffs. So the next thing is to click on to bank. If you click on to Palmpay here, that means you want to implicate yourself. So they won't click on Palmpay because it will get them implicated. The reason why it will get them implicated is that transferring from Palmpay, don't forget I said it on one of my videos that once you transfer to Palmpay account or Palmpay wallet, it prompts up alert on time. So and sending from Palmpay to Palmpay and the recipient was unable to get the alert on time, it will be somehow, you will be thinking, you will cast it on time and know you are trying to fake things for him or her. So that is why they don't click on Palmpay. So they prefer to click on to bank. From to bank here, then they do this transfer. Inputting the account number you wanna fund. Inputting the account number you wanna fund. confirm the name. Then one things they noted is they will check the available balance. Once they see the available balance here, they will try to input the amount that exit the available balance in order to make the transaction unsuccessful. Because if you input any amount that doesn't up to 8,000 naira, you know it will went successfully. So the input like 100,000 naira like this. One thing is, let me go back. One thing they do notice again is that if you are transferring 100,000 naira to a particular account, so they will just input 9,900. Inputting 9,900 naira will make the figure round later. The figure will round up to 100,000 naira later, after including the fee charge. You see the fee charge now. So once the fees is applicable here, now we got 100,000 naira here, which will be what we want to transfer before. So here we'll click on my pin. So here I'll go back for security purpose, because the fingerprint is not working yet now, so I will have preferred to do the transfer with the fingerprint. So I'll go back for security purpose, but believe me, once you input the pin here now, so you just see the transaction will failed. But once the transaction failed, the next thing you got is you see the failed transaction in your transaction history here. Once you found it on your history here, they wanna click on it, have it on screenshot. They will screenshot it, then go back, look for another successful transaction. If you see all the transaction here, they are all successful, so they click on it, screenshot it again, then they go back. Once they go back, they go to the Pixellab. So they're gonna screenshot the successful transaction also here. So the next thing now, they go back to the Pixellab application. Having screenshot the successful and failed transaction now, so next thing now, they click on this circle box, the menu below. Then here you see an import. Click on import here, then you import the first screenshot, which is the failed transaction. So once you imported the first screenshot, which is a failed transaction, then enlarge it from bottom and right and left, set it where. So once you set it where like this, I'm gonna click on, if they will click on this side. If you want to leave the like if you want to leave the they wanna click on this side. You're gonna click on this side. You want to leave the receipts unedited. Maybe you want to import another thing. So next thing is to click on import again, click on successful transaction, then you cut it. They're gonna cut it. The next thing, they're gonna cut it. Place it where before cutting. You have to place where. You want to cut it, then mark it. Once it has been cut, then
you place it where, then gonna import another image again. You need a white image this time around. White image, mark it, then the white image will be covered. You need to cover this place. You wanna cover here. So the transaction has been done successfully now. The editing has been done successfully. So the next thing now, what they do next now is to, after the edition, you're gonna click on save here. You see the save box here at the top. Then next thing is to save as image. Save as image. Once it has been saved, then you will see it on your gallery. So I think that is all for the edition. That is how guys of scammers or fraudsters of nowadays edit. The scope of editing with Pixellab. That is how it is. So I'm gonna stop the video here.
So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.